Hello, this is Oliver. Today we are going to be talking about a mental math trick when it comes to multiplying two-digit numbers by 11, right? So let's take a look at some examples, right? So you have 10 times 11 equals 110, 11 times 11, 121, and etc. Now, take a minute to look at these numbers, especially the relationship between the left-hand column and the far right-hand column, and try to see what patterns appear. Well, if you look closely, you'll notice that, 10 and 10 is here. 11 and 1 something 1. 12, 1 number 2. 13, 1 something 3. 14, 1 something 4. Okay, so we know that the first digit is going to be the first digit of the answer is going to be the first digit of the number that's multiplied by 11, and the last digit of the answer is going to be the last digit of the number multiplied by 11. What about the middle digit? Well, if you notice, right, in each case, you have the sum of the two digits, right? 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, right? So you'll notice that when you take the sum of the two digits in the two-digit number, that then becomes the middle digit, right? And it's as simple as that. So let's take a look at some examples. Well, those are some examples. So this is how we would look at it if we were using variables, right? AB is a two-digit number where A is the tens digit, B is the units digit, and we're multiplying by 11. And our answer is going to have three parts. The first part is we're simply going to write A. The second part is going to be A plus B. And then the third digit, or last digit, is going to be B, right? So simple as that. Now, let's see if you can do this on your own. So why don't you try these? Take a minute and see if you can do these calculations in your head. Now remember, we're just going to be looking at the number that is being multiplied by 11. We take 35, we split it up in the middle, and then we take the sum of those two digits, 3 plus 5 equals 8. So this 781, 286, 594. Okay, right? So this is pretty easy, right? Pretty easy to do this in your head. However, what happens when the sum of the digits is greater than 9, right? So if we were to use our rule, we would say, okay, 6 something 7, and then you take 6 plus 7 is 13, right? So 6,137. But this is not the right answer, right? In fact, what we need to do is this 1 needs to be added to the hundreds digit. So this is really going to be 6 plus 1, and then 3, right? And 7. So this equals 737. So basically, when the sum of the two digits is 10 or greater, you need to carry the 1 to the hundreds place. So here are some examples for you to try on your own. So the way that I would look at this, right, 59, right? I know that I have a 5, a 14, and a 9. So the 9 is going to be the same. I have 14 in the middle, which is going to leave me a 4. And then my 5 in the beginning, I have 5 plus 1, which is 6, right? And I can do the same thing here, right? My 7 is going to be the same. 9 plus 7 is 16, so my 6 goes there. and my 1 gets carried to the to add to the 9, and so it's going to be 1067. 38 times 11, right? 8 is going to be my units digit. 8 plus 3 is 11, so 1 is going to be the tens digit, and then I add my 1 to 3, which gives me 4. So the answer is going to be 418. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to do these calculations very quickly in your head and impress all your friends. If you're looking to study for the GMAT exam, please take a look at my website. You can get some information about my courses, and there's also a contact form where you can set up a free consultation with me. All right, have a great day.